So let's go over what the basics of dropshipping are. If you already know what dropshipping is, you can go to the next lesson. But basically what dropshipping is you go to a store online, you find products, which that in and of itself could take you 10-15 minutes to half an hour. You list them on eBay manually. You get an order from your customer. The customer goes online, orders from your shop. Then you must go back to your store, order it, then ship it to your customer. Once that's all done, you have to wait till your customer gets your product, which may be a week or so. Then you have to email your customer in hopes of getting a review in that one product. That could take you hours. There is a smarter way to do dropshipping, and that is with DSMTOOL. Check out the next video to see how DSMTOOL is smarter, not harder.